What's up, guys? I'm back with another one, and today we're going to be checking out the new Civivi Trailblazer. Now, this is the first slip joint I've had on the channel since the fracture, and I haven't really planned it like that. It's just I'm not a huge slip joint fan, so I don't go out looking for them. Now, every now and again, one comes across my desk that is highly impressive. This is that knife. Now, right off the bat, I can tell you the tension on this guy is really high compared to a lot of other slip joints I've felt. The fracture especially. The fracture has kind of a low tension, and it's really easy to open and close. This guy right here, yeah, a child is not going to be able to open it, and more importantly, it's not going to close on you while you're trying to use it. That's one of my biggest pet peeves with slip joints, and it's usually why I don't go out looking for them. But anyway, you can see it has a stonewash drop point blade, which is made from 14C28N. It has a hollow grind, and this thing is a really nice little slicer. Now, it has a black G10 overlay on this all stainless frame, and the pocket clip is tip-up reversible deep carry. Now, I love the overall feel of this knife. It feels great in the hands. Everything about it is really nice and set up for outdoors. Now, again, 14C28N, that is not going to rust on you. It's a great user steel, and I love seeing Civivi use that. Now, the overall length on this guy is 6.85 inches. The blade is 2.97. The cutting edge is 2.875 with a width of 0.875. Now, the thickness is 0.12. Now, the handle length is 3.875 with a width of 1 inch. The thickness is 0.42, and let's get a weight on this bad boy. Fighting off all kind of glare right now. The sun's going down. 3.230. So again, it's not a huge knife, but this thing is solid. I mean, I'm really impressed by it. 100%. That is an outdoors knife. Anyway, we will throw it up against the fracture. See, it's roughly around an inch shorter than the fracture. Now, compared to the Finch Holiday, which is one of my favorite knives. Right around half inch, I guess, shorter than the Holiday. I'll throw in the Protect Malibu. Yeah, right around an inch shorter than the Malibu. And we'll go ahead with the Pair 3. Only about a 1/4 inch shorter than the Pair 3. Again, great Edc size. I mean, this is an awesome knife. If you're into slip joints, this is 100% the knife for you. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram for much more. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.